Yes, guys and girls, it's always my pleasure to have you here on my Forex educational channel. Recently, I took this sell trade on volatility 75 index using the same strategy that I have been teaching you guys for over a year right now. And below this video, on the description below, I will provide links to my videos where I speak deeply on my Forex trading strategies. It's my hope that after this video, you will go straight into viewing them. I promise you guys and girls, you will learn a lot from them as I take my trades based on those strategies on those videos. In the meanwhile, before I show you how I was able to grow my tiny account of $40 to almost 500 bucks in less than a week, applying proper risk management and knowing when to close my trades. Speaking of knowing when to close my trades, since I see that my price is currently on a support level right now on this trade, let me take these few seconds to close down my trades first, and let me do that in a hurry. The profits are secured now, baby. I'm not so much of a singer anyway. So last week I deposited $40 in my account, as you can see for yourself on the screen. And just now, after closing this trade right now, my total profit came to almost $452, from $40 to $452. And it is a real account because you can see the withdrawals. You cannot withdraw the money unless that's a real account. Just common sense. Now I'm going to share my secret formula or lessons that made me succeed in growing this small tiny account. If you are a beginner trader, then make sure you watch it till the end. It will help you greatly if you're just starting out in Forex. So lesson number one, guys and girls, is get out of your losers. Remember this, guys, you are not a loser just because you have a losing trade on. You are, however, a loser if you don't get out of the losing trade soon enough before it turns out to be a bigger loser. Lesson number two, guys and girls, is you always want to be able to come back and pray the next day. Now, this is a very important lesson. Guys and girls, never put yourself in the precarious position of losing more money than you can afford to lose. Remember this, there is no worse feeling in the world than wanting to trade and not being able to do so, just simply because the equity in accounts is too low and you can't be able to trade. Guys, that shit hurts, trust me. I have been there and I don't want you to do that same thing to happen to you. Lesson number three, guys and girls, is consistency builds confidence and control. Just how nice is it to be able to turn on your PC in the morning knowing that if you play by the rules, trade with discipline and stick to your methodology, then the probability of a successful day is very high. I have had years where I could count on one hand the number of losing trades or losing days that I've had. Don't you think that this consistency allowed me to be extremely confident? Remember that I was going to make money on any given day. A matter of fact, I had no reason to think otherwise other than making money. Lastly, guys and girls, all traders are created equal in the eyes of the markets. No personal feelings, it's just business. We all start out the day the same. We all start out at zero. Once the bell rings and trading day begins, it's how we conduct ourselves from our behavioral standpoint that will dictate whether or not we'll make money on the day. If you follow the said above rules, guys and girls, then I'm sure you should do well. If you do not, you will do poorly. These are the very important lessons, most important lessons that if you follow them genuinely and if you follow my strategy, you will succeed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe